Morning, guys. So it's day 8 today. Let's start with our weigh-in as usual. Okay, pretty good. So 85.2 after our active rest day. So compared to yesterday, it's 0.2 kilos heavier. 0.2 kilos is about 4.5 pounds. It's the morning me talking. 0.45 pounds, okay? So it's 0.45 pounds heavier. Hold on. 0.45 pounds heavier. It is completely normal. We didn't train yesterday, so it's a daily fluctuation basically. So yesterday I actually ended up eating 3 meals instead of 2, as I told you. The 3 meals it went on. The first meal was the one I showed you. I don't know if I showed you. I think I did. The tilapia and zucchini, yes. So after that one, I had the breakfast oat. As I said, I really like that. But I added like peanut butter and like some nut butter in it. Okay. And after that, before going to bed, I actually got a little bit hungry as well. And I went on and ate smoked salmon and some whole eggs. Okay. And my calories ended up being 2,168, 170 grams of protein, 134 grams of carbs, and 105 grams of fat, okay, give or take. So overall calories were less than the regular days, okay, and they were less by regular days by 450, okay. So that's pretty much what I was talking about yesterday when I told you to eat like less in terms of calories on your rest days, especially considering the fact that I wasn't able to do like cycling and stuff, okay. So I did walking, as I said, about like 45 minutes. That was about it. So yeah, and today's push day, you know, I love push days. It's just too much fun. I think it's because I think maybe a little easy. Maybe that's why. So I'm gonna see you guys at the gym. Okay. All right, folks, we're at the gym. It is 9:27. Okay, and we're gonna be doing push. I'm gonna move up. I feel really good, so I'm gonna move the exercises amount, the total exercises that we work out from 5 to 6. Okay, and last week we started with dips, and I told you that I really enjoy doing dips. So we are still gonna be doing that, but we are not gonna start with dips this time. Okay, so we are gonna start with a shoulder exercise, and yeah, there's like no one. Yeah, this is the perfect time, and I'm gonna tell you why it is the perfect time, because a lot of people, you know, who work like 9 to 9 here, not 9 to 5. I haven't misspoken. 9 to 9, and they come in the morning. Like there's a group of people who come in the morning, and then they leave before it is like 9 a.m. because they need to go to work, and they most likely work nearby. Therefore, they leave early. And during this period of like 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. ish, I think that's why it's the most empty, because the people who own their own business, or like, you know, maybe who are like in between jobs or whatever, those people, they come like a little bit later, maybe like 10:30 sure. So you've seen like in the past, like when I came around those hours. So now it's like the perfect time, and we're gonna start with shoulder presses. Okay, I'm gonna be using this machine. You can go ahead and use like a regular machine for shoulders. Okay. So we've just finished our shoulder exercise, the first one, shoulder presses, and now we're gonna move on to cable overhead triceps extension with ropes, and we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 20. Now one more triceps exercise. We're gonna be doing tricep push downs with the V bar, okay? And for this one also we are going for 3 sets of 15-ish. So we're done with triceps. I'm sure you weren't gonna be able to see while I was performing the exercises because, you know, I speed things up. By the end of my triceps moments, I was actually not in the best form, like when you look at it. I was kind of like pushing through the weight basically to get extra reps, okay? So I wasn't doing it with the perfect form. I was basically going for failure, okay? Like the absolute failure. So because it's triceps exercise, I told it like in some of my videos, you can kind of punish those muscles a little bit more, okay? They are like very small muscles. They will recover really quickly compared to like any other muscle compared to your chest, back, or legs, okay? So I was going for failure for those. And now we are going to be doing thumbs down lateral raises. It's so unfortunate I never have my tank top on while I'm doing this because I really like the way it looks when I'm performing those. But yeah. We are done with thumbs down lateral raises, and now as I promised to you guys, I'm gonna make this a more balanced program for anyone who watches this can go and perform it without even like thinking twice, okay? So we're gonna be doing chest now. I'm gonna be starting with machine flies, okay? So also one thing about these machine flies is that when you're performing it, please like do it a little bit slower, okay? I see like so many people at least here, okay? They just perform it like just randomly swinging the weight, and this is not the way you're supposed to do this exercise, okay? So just try to, you know, get a better form and try to feel the muscles when you're actually working them, okay? 3 sets of 15. Okay, we are done with this one. Now we're gonna move on to our last exercise, which is gonna be dips. For dips, I'm gonna go for like 3 sets of like 12-ish, okay? But I will start with like body weight and see how it feels. So based on that, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be adding some weight or if I'm gonna be doing with my body weight, okay? Because we trained our chest, we trained our triceps, so they're like all exhausted, and now dips is gonna be even like more difficult. So we are done for the day. It was a pretty good workout. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later, all right? So this is my post-workout meal. I got a bunch of zucchini, tilapia, and sauteed mushrooms and onions. If you guys watch my other content, you know how to make those. So if you haven't, I'll probably pull up a cart, okay? Hey guys, in the morning I was 85.2 kilos, which is like a little bit higher than yesterday, which is, as I said in the morning, completely fine. So we don't care about it, we don't change anything, okay? But at least I'm not changing anything, all right? And please, if you haven't watched, go ahead and watch the video that I recorded yesterday. It talks about like the weight assessment and how we handle things from now on, okay? So I'm not changing anything. I'm still gonna be on 2,600 calories. Today my fat intake gonna be a little bit higher. So normally I go for like 70 grams, 75 grams of fat, but today I'm gonna most likely go for like maybe 100 grams, okay? And that's the only difference that's gonna be. So it's gonna be more like a little bit heavier on the fat and a little bit less on the carbs, and my protein will be, I don't know, something that's gonna happen by the end of the day, but most likely gonna be somewhere within the range of 160 to 200 grams, okay? It's not gonna be very high, I think. Other than that, tomorrow is a leg day, so we are gonna be doing a brutal workout tomorrow as well. I know that most of you guys are skipping legs, but I talked about it on my rant video, so go ahead and watch that. So please do not skip leg training, okay? Go ahead and train some legs. Aside from that, the most important lesson of the day: do not be a prick at the gym, okay? So when you're training, if you are recording something, okay, those people beside you haven't paid to get recorded by some random guy at the gym who's training there, okay? You paid money to go to that gym, they also paid the same amount of money, and they didn't sign up for, you know, being recorded and being, you know, on YouTube, all right? So be polite to people. If you see anything like that, okay, I don't know if you guys like to take pictures or videos, but some of my friends, you know, in like other countries, they sometimes tell me about this kind of stuff, not even other countries, even like here. So there are like these people who literally ignore like everyone around them and act as if like the gym belongs to them. So please do not be like that, okay? So this is the most important lesson of today. And other than that, we are going strong. It's already 8 days in. So I cannot wait to finish this thing so that I can go back to my, you know, baked goods and I can bake myself some like, you know, cheesecake and stuff. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, leave any comments if you have anything to say. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow on day 9.